Ride it
you
with
get
her.
on it and
You have to have like the right. Ride it with her.
I don't know how to ride this thing.
Rachel, you ride with her.
Just don't let her go too fast. Like,
There you go. Having fun, Madison?
Holy crap.
I know it goes fast. It's not as fast as this. It goes fast.
Alright. Hey, this thing hard to ride?
No.
You just have to balance it on them.
Let's see Jay try to do this.
I don't want to wreck it.
No? It's okay. I already scratched it.
Kind of nervous. Holy
Here,
crap.
give him something to hold on to.
I'm kind of nervous.
I'll
Come here,
go.
Jason!